Scotty, what are you doing?
Getting ready to go bang bang.
Oh, you're gonna go bang some stuff?
This is gonna be a bit of a...
No. That's
Yes.
all right. Well, use the thing. Ah, we're going bang bang. Hey, Scotty.
Yes, sir.
Instead of doing that, because that's on the box, you should probably put pickle fork right here and pop it down, because this will pop off. Because that's in the thing.
That might work. Yeah, that's an idea.
See?
That's
See what happens when I walk
Like
in?
I've told you since the day I met you, you are the smartest dumb person I've ever met a day in my life.
That's exactly it. I am the smartest dumb person in the world.
But every so often,
I have a genius idea.
even I need help doing something.
You need help. You need help somewhere.
Well,
You're nowhere near it, bud.
it should pop it down though.
Yeah, it moved. Oh, wow. Wait, do that again. That Pitman arm is, look at the stud moving in the Pitman arm. Do that again.
Oh snap!
Okay, this bitch needs a Pitman arm, too.
Yep.
Okay, so leave these on here for right now, then.
Okay.
Because we could at least move the car after we put everything together.
Okay.
Because we're going to have to find a Pitman arm.
All right. So then I'm not gonna go any further then.
Yeah, just leave that loose, and then we'll just set these in the thing, and we'll go from there.
Yep. Yep.
Cool.
Careful,
All right,
careful, buddy.
so, figured we'd check the idler arm while we're... Don't do it with the pickle fork. I mean, it's more than likely wonky. I bet you can move it like a pry bar without it. You can see it bouncing already.
Yep.
Alright, so leave that be.
Yeah.
Because we have to order that, but we're gonna have to move the car because we do have to
Yeah.
use the lift for other things. So, all right. Well, that's not the news I wanted to give, but it's okay. All right, your next step: go check on the. Go see if they're done with their arms yet.
I know he has a customer over there. Last I walked outside, so I'll wait till his customer's gone. Then I'll walk him.
Gotcha.
I don't like doing stuff like that. I just don't think that's respectable.
No, I got it.
So.
All right. Well, oaky dokley. Oh
Yeah.
That steering stabilizer's wet.
Oh yeah, the dampener's gone.
Looking right at it.
We'll have to get a new one.
That's easy enough.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Scotty.
You're welcome, sir. It's what we do here.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.